Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced Excel and Power Query Tips. In this video, I will share more than 30 Power Query tricks for employee cost analysis from the monthly salary and the incentive, and prepare total payout report employee wise, monthly wise, and auto dashboard report based on this data. For this project, I will import monthly salary sheet and the Excel data to the Power Query and generate the report in the Excel sheet and the report format. Once done, every time you refresh, you will get the refresh data. I already covered the tutorial 1, 2, 3. Find the link in the video description. If you first time view my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload new video. Also visit my website myaccountingtips.com and sign up. I share article to my subscriber every day. Join the social networking site and participate the daily quiz and get update. Link given in the video description. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Let's start. Before start the demonstration, I want to share our project file. This is the employee master, monthly salary and the sales register. These files are available for the download. I suggest you please download the files and start project with me. Go to the employee master. In the employee master, you notice that employee ID and employee name, first name, last name and other information are there. Close it. Don't save. Go to the monthly salary. This is the January month salary, this is the February month salary, and this is the March month salary. And April, May, June is the blank template. You can add the blank template. So when you update the data in this template, it will automatically refresh on your report. Close this. And the sales register, there are employee ID and the invoice value. I will calculate the 5% incentive on the invoice value employee wise. Close it. Go to our first step. For that, I need to open the new Excel file. I suggest you to use the Power Query in the new Excel file. Go to the data, date data and Power Query editor. This is the 365. In the 2019 version, you can find the Power Query editor in the same place. But in 2016 version, you will find the Power Query editor here, and the 2013 and 2010 version, you can find the Power Query editor here. I already make an article on this topic. Please find the link in the video description. Open the Power Query editor. This is the Power Query editor. Power Query editor is same for the all Excel version. So start the step number 2, insert or pull Excel data into the Power Query. Go to new source, file, Excel. I will make the video on the different option available here, but for now choose the Excel. Go to the desktop, presentation and employee master, import. Employee master is the sheet name. Select this option and OK. Our data is loaded. Again, go to the new source, file, import the folder here. If you import the folder, all the files are uploaded into the Power Query. But for now, I choose the Excel. Monthly salary. Select this option and select the January, February, April, May, June. And salary structure not required. Untick this. OK. New source, file, Excel and sales register, import. Sale invoice is the sheet name. Select this one. OK. Our all data are loaded into the Power Query. Step number 3, check header and remove top rows and select the header. Sale invoice, our header is the correct, and all the salary sheet there are no problem in the header, but in the employee master there are problem in the header. This is our header in the row 2, so I need to remove the row 1. Go to the remove row, remove top row, and how many row I need to remove? 1, because in the second row I have the header. OK. Now header are in the row number 1. Select this option, use first row as header. Our header is selected. Step 4. Rename the column header and table name. In the employee master, if you need to change the table name, double click on it or press the F2 or change from here. I rename it as employee data and enter. You notice the name has been changed. And if you need to rename the column, select the column first. I need to do the state. Yes, there is a problem. State 2 times. Double click on it and rename it state and press the enter. Step number 5. Remove empty rows and error. For that, select the column, click on the filter option, and you notice that there is a null value, means the empty. Unselect this, and there is another not applicable value. Unselect this one and check it. Now there are no problem. I will make the advanced video on this topic. Step number 6. Replace the value. Go to the right side, select the country and click on the filter option, and you find IND and India. I need to replace the IND to India, but IND shows 2 times because there are some space. Okay, first select this column, click on the right, transform and trim. It is the same as Excel. It will remove the extra space. Trim. Again go to the filter. Now IND India and USA. I need to change the IND to India. Select the column, replace value. What I am looking for? IND, and what need to change? INDIA. And go to the advanced option and match enter cell content, because there is a enter cell content in the IND. If I not select the match enter cell content, it will change the where the IND are there, it will change this one also. So match the enter cell content. Okay, now go to the filter and you notice it is fine now. Step number 7. Trim function. I already show you the trim option, transform trim to remove the extra space. Step number 8. Add, remove, change and manage the Power Query step. Every step you do here, Power Query write the step. You can delete the step by click on the cross button, or you can move the step from upward or downward. Also you notice some step are the gear icon. You can click on the gear icon and change the step. Right click on the step. You can notice that rename, delete, move up, move down and other options are there. Step number 9. Remove column which are not needed. Go to the sales invoice, and here I need only the employee ID and the invoice value. So select the employee ID and select the invoice value and go to the remove column and remove other column. I need the employee ID and invoice value to calculate the incentive. Again go to the employee data, and I need the employee ID, first name and last name. I go to the choose column, untick this and tick the employee ID, first name, last name and state or country. Okay. Press on OK. Step number 10. Check and correct the data type. This is very important topic, data type. I will make the video on the data type. For now, I simply check the data type here. Power Query already automatically fetch the data type. Again, I need to check the data type. Everything is fine here, and make it the decimal number. Add a new step. Make it decimal number. And I need to repeat the same operation in the other table. If you need to repeat the same operation other table, so you can go to the data or change it, or go to the advanced editor, copy the step from the previous table and add it. I will make the second video on the advanced edit. For now, I quickly make the changes in the different table. Other options are there. Select the column, hold the shift key and select the column and go to the transform and data type and change it to decibel number. It will change the every column. Do this same. Sell invoice. This is already in the decibel number. Next step is create and manage the group. This is required for the data modeling. I will make the video on the data modeling. For now, right click on the space and create a new group and name it source data. Okay, this is the source data group and these 7 or 8 files are the source data. I need to transfer it to the source data. Next step 12, combine different monthly salary into one. For now, I need to select the January month, go to the home and select the combine and append queries as new. What is the meaning of the append queries? If you have the similar table, you can merge them together by the append queries. Append queries as new. I have the 6 table, therefore I need to select the 3 or more table. January, double click on it, February, March, April, May and June. Press on OK. This is the new table created and total number of employee is 150. Why? In the every month there are the 25 row and in the 6 month total number is 150. I need to create another group, data preparation. OK, and transfer the new table to the data preparation and rename it to total salary. Step number 13, difference between the merge query and the append query. You can find that in the combine tab there is a 2 option, merge query, append query. To make the total salary table, I choose the append queries. When I choose the merge queries, when I choose the append queries, I will make the video tomorrow on this. Step number 14, create a reference table. This is the our employee data and this is our sale invoice data. I will create a reference table of the sale invoice. Right click on it and create the reference table. What is the reference table? If I make any changes in the source data, it will change in the sale invoice table, also be change in the reference table. I will create a reference table, move it to my data preparation and rename it incentive data. Enter. Step number 15, calculate one employee total salary by the group option. In the total salary, 150 rows are there, but there are some null data. Why? Because in the June, in the May, in the April, there are no data. First, I need to filter out the empty values. And I already saw this process in previous step. Unselect the null value and press on OK. This is our total salary and there are 75 rows for the 3 month, 25 for the each. Total is 75 rows. I need to create the total salary of one employee. Here you can change the data type to text. Select the one employee ID, copy it, go to the filter, paste it. One employee counts 3 times. Why? For the January month, for the February, for the March. But I need to create the total salary of one employee. Delete this step I created for the testing purpose. Again, create a reference table. I don't want to change the data in this table. And rename it emp wise total salary. Select this table, select the employee ID, go to the group by option, and employee ID selected, go to the advanced, add grouping, and select the salary structure, and I need to create the total salary of one employee. So net salary summation of net pay. Again you can add more. Say I need to create net gross salary. I create this for the testing purpose. Sum. Now choose the gross pay. Click on OK. You find now there are 25 rows. Step 16. Calculate incentive with add custom column. This is our incentive table. Employee ID are there, value are there. I need to create the incentive amount. Go to the add column, choose the custom column, and name the incentive amount, and invoice value into 0.05, 5% incentive, and there is a tick option, no error in the syntax. Fine, this is our incentive amount. Next step is 17. Write the decibel number and data type. Change the data type to decibel number. Step number 18. Combine the total salary and the incentive table, merge query. Before that, I need to make some changes in my previous step. Go to the sell invoice and go to the remove other column step. Click on the gear icon, and here I select the employee ID and the invoice value. Now I need to select the bill date. What is the reason to select the bill date? If I not get the bill date, I cannot identify the incentive related to which month. So I need the bill date. Here I click on the bill date and right click on it, create a duplicate column. Double click on it, rename it as month. Go to the add column option. Here you can find the date option. Click on it, choose the option month, and select the name of the month. And you notice that new column added for the month January, February, and March are there. Select this drop down, January, February, load more, January, February, March are there. Create a reference table of this reference and rename it as emp wise incentive, and select the employee ID. Again I need to go home and group option, employee ID selected, total incentive sum and incentive amount. Okay. This is the employee wise total incentive. You can find there is a 25 employee, and this is the employee wise total salary. Now I need to merge the employee wise two table. Select the employee wise total table, go to the combine option, and click on the merge queries as new. Employee wise total salary, select the employee ID and select the employee wise total incentive and select the employee ID. This is almost similar the VLOOKUP in the Excel. I select the common column in both table. Join kind, I will make the video on this. For now, left outer, all from the first and matching with the second. Press on the OK button and new table created. Rename it salary incentive. Enter. Go to the end of this table and employee wise incentive column selected. Click on this button, untick this option. What I need to paste here? Total incentive. Untick this, press on OK. This is the total net salary and this is the total incentive. Step number 19, calculate total payout, salary plus incentive. Go to the add column, choose the custom column and rename it salary incentive. Select the net salary, double click and put the plus sign and total incentive and press on OK. Change the data type to decimal number. You notice that after dot there are 3 digits, but I need the 2. Go to the transform, select the round and decibel plus 2. Okay. And now after dot the decibel place is 2. Next step, employee full name. Now I show the one process. I already published an article on this topic. Please find the link in the video description. Go to the employee data. I need to create the full name. Go to the add column, custom column, rename it full name and I use the easy method to create the full name. Choose the first name, use the ampersand option, double quote, maintain the space between again ampersand and use the last name. Press on OK. Change the data type to text. This is the full name of the employee. Step 21, insert the employee name in the final table, merge query. This is the our final table. Here is the employee ID, employee name not here. I need to put the employee name in this table. Select the table, go to the home, select the combine, merge query. Don't select the merge query as new, select the merge query because I need to put the value in this table. Select the employee ID, go to the employee data table, select the employee ID. This is the common column in the both table, left outer join and press on OK button. Select the icon, untick the all option and select the full name. Okay. This is the name of the employee. Step number 22, column selection process and arrange column. If you want to select the multiple column from one column to 3, hold the shift key and press the 3. All 3 columns are selected. And if you need to select the employee ID and select the net salary, you can press the Ctrl key and select the net salary. Both columns are selected, salary structure not selected. And now I want to arrange our data. After that employee ID, I need to put the employee name. Right click on it, go to the move to the beginning. I select the column and move to the first. Employee ID, full name. Salary structure, change the data type to text. Net salary, gross salary. Gross salary should come first. Gross salary, net salary, total incentive and salary plus incentive. Our data ready. Next step 23, data export from the Power Query editor to the Excel. Go to the close and load option. Click on the small arrow and select the close and load to. Now Power Query asks you how you export your data to the Excel in the table format, pivot table, pivot chart or transaction. I select the transaction option. Pivot table and the pivot chart are not available for the 2016, 2013 and 2010. But you can find these two options in the older version of the Excel. Tick this option and press on OK. It will take 1 minute to load the data. Please wait. No need to populate the source data. Source data are available in my Excel file. Just click on this arrow button and now comes to the data preparation. For that reason, I create the data group. Incentive data not needed for now. Go to the salary incentive. First, select the first cell. Go to the salary incentive. Right click on it and choose the option load to. And now select the table option and it is selected A1 cell and press on OK. Okay, this is our final data. Rename it. What is the next step? Step number 24. Hide the unnecessary group. I already hide the source data. I already covered this step. Next step, step number 25. Rename sheet and I load the data and rename in sheet the final data. I already covered this step also. Before jump to next step, I want to load more data which are required for my dashboard report. Now I want to load the incentive data. This data is required to calculate the employee wise total incentive per month. So select this table. First create a new sheet here. Select the first cell. Go to the query option. Right click on the incentive data. Load to table. Select the A1 cell and press on OK. This is our month wise incentive data for the employee. Rename it month wise incentive. Again create the new sheet. Go to employee wise incentive. Right click. Load to table. Press on OK. This is employee wise incentive. Rename it. Open a new sheet. Right click on the employee wise total salary. Load to table and OK. Rename it. Close this query window and this is employee wise total salary plus incentive, month wise incentive, employee wise total incentive and employee wise total salary. Now I go to next step 26. Different refresh option in the Power Query. Go to the data. You can find refresh all option. Means if I select the refresh all data will be refreshed in the Power Query. And if I select any of the query and press on the refresh, only this query will be refreshed. Also, you can refresh from here, right click on it and press the refresh. Step number 27. Check and verify data by updating the source file. I select the employee number 9. Copy the data. Open a notepad and paste it. Now go to our source data. Monthly salary. Open it. Select the EMP 009. Go to the January month. EMP 09. Make the attendance 0. So salary will be 0. Go to the February 09. Attendance. Put the attendance 0. March 09. Put the attendance 0. Enter and save the file. Now hit the refresh all option. It will take few minutes paste on your data size. Please wait. Now it is refreshed and EMP09 gross salary and net salary is 0. Open the notepad, and before that the gross salary is this and net salary is this, and now gross salary is 0, net salary is 0, because for this employee I put the 0 attendance in January, February, March. Next step 28, how to add new salary in the file data. Go to our source file, monthly salary, open it. Go to the April month data, copy the data from the March and paste to April, and change the attendance and copy the data in other rows. I put the new data in the April month salary. This way you can add the salary for the other month. Save it, find this data and highlight this yellow, and this is now 0, and take this yellow and copy this data to my notepad. This is the data for the employee, this is the gross salary, and this is the net salary. Go to the data, hit the refresh all. You notice the refreshing EMP011 data has been changed, but the Atas Gupta data not changed because there is a 0 value in the attendance. This way you can add the new salary sheet and refresh here, so you will get the refresh data. Next step 29, remove old month data from the final data. Go to the query editor, get data, launch the query editor, or you can double click on any table and go to the query editor, and you want to remove some month salary from our final data. Go to the total salary, go to the source, and if you want to remove the March month salary, you can delete the March, press on OK, and it will delete the March month salary from the final data. Next step, how to update the sales register data. Go to the sales register. When you need to update the new data, go to the end of this sheet and paste new data from here. Save it and go to the our data set and refresh all. You will get the refresh data. Our primary data preparation is completed, but there are some other advanced options available in the Power Query. I will show you in next video. Also prepare the pivot table, pivot chart, and the dashboard report based on this data. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification. Visit my website myaccountingtips.com and sign up. I will share update and many tips with my subscriber every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notification when I upload new video. Hope you enjoy the video. Please share, comment, like, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Stay tuned. Bye.